Arkansas, a city with a rich history, is at a critical crossroads. The time for bold, transformative action is now. Inspired by the leadership of Thomas Sankara, who transformed Burkina Faso in just a few years, I challenge you, Vivian Flowers, and the entire leadership of Pine Bluff to commit to a 36-month plan that will revitalize the city, restore its pride, and empower its people. In the first 6 months, we need to lay a strong foundation. This begins with a comprehensive assessment of our city's needs and potential. Sankara believed in the power of the people, mobilizing communities to take charge of their own future. I urge you to engage with every corner of Pine Bluff through town hall meetings, focus groups, and grassroots organizing. Identify local leaders, particularly among women and youth, and equip them with the tools to drive change. One of Sankara's first acts was to cut government waste and wage war on corruption. Pine Bluff must do the same. Implementing strict anti-corruption measures, conducting regular audits, and ensuring transparency in public spending are essential steps. Let's restore trust in our institutions by showing that every dollar is used to benefit our community. Over the next 18 months, we must focus on rebuilding our city's foundation, its infrastructure and economy. Imagine Pine Bluff bustling with new roads, renovated schools, and vibrant local businesses. Public works projects can create jobs and build pride, just as Sankara did in Burkina Faso. But it doesn't stop there. Let's support our local entrepreneurs by providing microloans and establishing cooperatives. We can revive our local economy by focusing on what we can produce right here in Pine Bluff. Education and health are the backbones of any thriving community. Over the next 30 months, we must launch literacy campaigns, expand vocational training, and build community health centers. Sankara understood that a healthy, educated population is key to sustainable development. Additionally, let's not forget the cultural richness of Pine Bluff. Promote our heritage, our art, and our music. This is more than just revitalization. It's a cultural renaissance. As we approach the final phase, from month 31 to 36, our focus must shift towards sustainability. Let's launch environmental conservation projects, plant trees, and promote renewable energy. Sankara championed reforestation and sustainability in Burkina Faso, and we can do the same here. Let's create a Pine Bluff that's not only economically vibrant, but also environmentally resilient. Vivian Flowers, this is our challenge to you. Lead Pine Bluff into a new era of self-reliance, pride, and prosperity. Thomas Sankara transformed his nation in just a few years with vision, courage, and the power of the people. Let's draw inspiration from his legacy and make Pine Bluff a city that future generations will be proud of. The clock is ticking, and the time for action is now. Together, we can achieve this. Pine Bluff, let's rise together.